Hi, I'm Katie Bavoso with Channel Insider, and I am here at Pax8 Beyond 2024 talking to Josh Ryan, Managing Director of Monocera. Welcome, Josh.
Thanks for having me. I should be in bed.
Yes, you are from Australia, so that was quite a trip for you to get here.
Yeah, it's cool. It's an amazing event so far.
What makes it worth it?
We've been with Pax8 just short of 2 years, and every engagement, like every turn, everyone we meet is just constant improvement on the last. Like they absolutely say what it says on the box on it when they say empowering partners to level up, and they've just brought us a lot of opportunities in terms of events and stuff. So yeah, it was a no-brainer, and I heard last year was incredible for a few people and that I missed out. So yeah,
So you had to come this
we
year.
jumped on. Yeah.
Well, with that said, can you talk to me a little bit about how Pax8 and the partnership between Monocera and Pax8 has helped you grow as a business?
The first thing it's really sorted out, which was just a nightmare headache, is just the billing integration and the issues with synchronization of that. So in Australia, we've got a lot more really small businesses, I think, compared with the States. I find it really hard to say no. I'm a massive yes man, and so I just say yes to everything. So our size to Microsoft headcount ratio is really high. Therefore, the pain in billing and managing all of that was just like too overwhelming. So when we transitioned that over to Pax and automated and synchronized most of the billing, it just lets us actually make that margin out of it rather than just wasting it on administration. And then the second part of it is probably from the cybersecurity front. We've built out our own trademark cybersecurity framework that we're working to, and to deliver on that is obviously a really big subset of tools that are needed in addition to the normal MSP stack of tools, which is already huge. So in kind of trying to find those products in the market, having a filtered down solution that we trust from Pax8, so we don't need to explore 500 products, we can just look at 30. And so it's really helped us refine and nail down that software stack really quickly, like way quicker than we would have. And then again, integrate all the billing and stuff so that it's easy to manage and we can just kind of focus on delivery.
So let's talk about AI and the explosion in artificial intelligence use cases over the last 18 months. How is that impacting your business? And is there any way that Pax8 is helping you to be able to navigate that new territory?
So I think for us, probably the biggest risk and opportunity and sort of segue into AI will be us kind of becoming more of a business advisor in terms of tearing through their business and their data and figuring out how, where, why they work with it, and helping them to reclassify all of that data so that it can be properly ingested and used without being a risk to them. So it'll be the services that fall out of that, and then the elevation of us to that trusted advisor status. The academy's got a lot of training, and so I think there's both instructor-led and self-guided, but like they said in the preso, they were the first to market with the Copilot product, and they have the training there ready to go. So it's there, we just got to do it.
And what are you looking forward to most here this week?
I'm looking forward to the announcements about the marketplace improvements. I think there's some potentially client-facing or tailored stuff, which I think is the next step for us, I think, in terms of letting clients self-serve and moving to the automated procurement of stuff, which I think is what people want. They just want it quick.
Where do you see it as a benefit for the channel?
People are more involved in their technology decisions because they have grown up with it, whereas the previous generation maybe didn't. So they understand a little bit more, and they're happy to go a bit deeper on the technical side. And with that comes, I think, the capability and intent to self-serve if they can. And so they don't necessarily want to call up or send an email to buy a license because they know it's technically simple. So if we can allow that through our platform ourselves, it'll create stickiness and improve experience and turnaround times on things that we maybe necessarily don't need to be involved in.